everyone, welcome back. How are you all? So today I am going to recreate or create an inspired look of Priyanka Chopra's. So I saw this look where she was wearing this hot pink lip color with gold rim eyes. So I felt that I should do this. So here's the look. I did my best. I think I pretty much did a good job. So if you're wondering which lipstick I'm wearing, the lipstick finish is beautiful, like it's outstanding. Today I'm going to do or create this beautiful look with the products of Bellora Paris, and was kind enough to send me their products, so I have created this look using their product only. If you don't know much about Bellora, let me just tell you, it is the first made safe certified makeup brand across Europe and Asia. Their products are cruelty free, they are paraben free, they are not tested and are vegan certified also, and these are based on high performances. They contain goodness, natural goodness in them. So yes, I've also tried this product and I have also reviewed or given my views on these particular products which I've tried from their brand. I have used their illuminating moisturizer, their Identity 24x7 Kajal or Kohl, which you can definitely see it on my eyes. It looks so beautiful. And I've also used their lipstick, which is Leave No Evidence from Bellora Paris. It looks superbly very beautiful. Just from the zeal of mine, you guys must have got an idea that how much I like the products, and I have created this look with these products only. The look looks very beautiful. The products has performed amazing. I'm going to talk each and everything about the product, like in detail about each and every product. So yes, stay tuned till the end, and yes, tell me आप लोगों को ये कैसा लगा मेरा makeup look पूरा. And yes, चलिए ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं and let's just get started. So before starting, you can follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the link over here or the description box. You can check me out over there as well. And yes, without blabbing me further, let's just get started. So starting off with the first product, that is an illuminating moisturizer. I'm talking about this Bellora Paris illuminating moisturizer, which contains real nano gold and fruit and AHA, which provides you an antioxidant into your skin and also helps you with cell renewable action in salicylic acid, and its usage is for 3 years. You get 30 gram of the product for rupees 7.99. Now the packaging is like so, which comes in this navy blue cardboard packaging, and everything, like every ingredient and everything, price, manufacturing date, everything is mentioned over here. And it is also cruelty free, which I told you in the beginning only. It's all mentioned here. The icons and logos are mentioned here. When you open this cardboard packaging, we get this tube over here which contains the illuminating moisturizer. Again, the packaging looks very luxurious. It has this golden cap over here, and yes, we just have to squeeze it out and see how the formula looks and how it works on us. It is enriched with orange, sugarcane and lemon for glowing complexion. The fragrance is so much soothing, I can't even tell you. It improves your firmness of your skin. It helps you with the hydration on your skin. It nourishes your skin so beautifully. Can you just already see that glow particles into my skin? My skin is already glowing so beautiful, yaar. I can't tell you, yaar. Literally, it is literally very beautiful. Can you see that? My skin is glowing from within. It is somewhat like a strobing cream, which will give you an that insight illuminator. It will definitely provide you that immediate superb pearl glowy effect into your skin that you can really see it here, and it gives you a pink pearly effect, which is looking very beautiful. That blushiness and that pearliness which comes all together, and your skin will like, oh my god, what have you given to your skin? Skin already feels so soft, as if I don't have to apply any primer beneath my foundation. I feel very good. I think I'll directly apply the foundation and then we'll do the the other steps, but my skin feels so soft and it is gliding like anything. And that pink pearly glow, oh my god, I can't tell you, it's looking very 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 beautiful. Okay, so as my base is already glowing, I don't want any color corrector or any primer. I just want my base to peek through my foundation, so I'm directly going through a foundation and I'm just dotting it up on my face, and then I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Now my beauty blender is pretty much damp, and I'm just taking my own sweet little time to just blend this face, because the more you blend, the more that smooth base you get. So yes, you can see my face, that illuminating highlighter is peeking through my base. So yeah, next up I'm going to use a concealer, and I'm going to highlight my usual areas wherever I used to put my concealer, like everyone does. So I'm just going to apply a lot of concealer because I haven't done any color corrector thing. I usually do that. So yes, I'm going to apply a lot of concealer, and then I'm going to take another sweet little time to just blend this thing, and I am taking my time. And yeah, next up I'm going to just mattify all my face, like everything. I'm going to matte it, because Priyanka Chopra is also having a matte face. She isn't having that dewy base. So I'm just going to mattify my face with a loose powder, and I'm applying a lot of loose powder onto my face just to give that matte look. And still my skin is shining because that illuminating highlighter is peeking through, is literally peeking through my foundation. Next up I'm going to make my face chiseled out, because Priyanka's face was very much chiseled. I am bronzing my jawline, and I will bronze my that cheekbone area also. So I'm just applying the product, and then I'm just blending it. So yeah, to just get that intense effect. Next up I'm going to apply a blush, and I'm applying the blush in an upwards motion just to mix it with the bronzer and not like the blush thing. So yeah, I'm doing that, and yeah, I'm just applying the blush. Next up I'm going to fill in my brows. Priyanka Chopra brows were very much bushy. I'm just doing that only. I'm just going to carve out my brows, and then just going to fill in the sparse gaps. That's it. So yeah, for my eyes, she hasn't done any thing but just a brown or a taupe eyeshadow. The kohl on my eyes, I'm going to use Bellora Paris Identity 24x7 Intense Black Kajal, ya kohl, whatever you may say. This retails for rupees 299, and you get 0.35 gram of the product in hair. This particular kajal is very very smooth. When you just apply it, it just glides like butter, and one stroke you get full and intense pigmentation. This is dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested kajal and kohl with vitamin E and oils, and it is a transfer proof kajal. It won't budge for a long time until and unless you have an extreme watery waterline, but it lasts you for a quite long time. Packaging of it is like so. It comes in this sort of a cardboard packaging, and everything, the ingredients and everything is mentioned on this particular box with the expiry date, manufacturing date, the price, each and everything. And when you get the actual product, this is here. It is very beautiful. The kajal is in somewhat pink nudish color, or white, you may say, like pink nude. I feel it is pink nude color. You have the brand name over here, and it is written made safe, and beside that nothing else is written. Identity 24x7 made in Germany. And when you open the lid, this is how it looks like. Supremely beautiful, like the wand is like so, and you get this much of the okay. Because the kohl is very much pigmented, I am just going to apply it on my waterline and tight line my eyes, and slowly I'm going to build that smoky kohl rim eyes. I'm just going to put another layer of the kajal or the kohl, and then I'm going to blend it, and then add another layer, and then I'm going to blend it like this. The kohl will not settle down, and I can blend it easily, and I will get that intense pigmentation and that blended kohl rimmed eyes. So yeah, after doing that, I'm just blending it, like blending the edges to not get the harsh edges. So I'm just blending it again and again, and yeah, I'll complete my other eye also, and then I'm going to apply a highlighter, and the highlighter is going to be the same product that I've used earlier, the illuminating highlighter from Bellora, and I'm just going to take it on my beauty blender and just going to apply it on my cheekbones. Like, can you see that glow? It is so natural, like very beautiful. So I just applied it and blended it with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use a mascara. I'm not going to wear any falsies. Priyanka is not wearing any falsies. Her glow was very natural, and she was applying a like quite thick mascara, but no falsies. A look with a beautiful hot pink shade which Priyanka is wearing, and I can't find this particular lip shade anywhere else but the perfect lip shade here, Bellora Paris Leave No Evidence lipstick of theirs, and this particular shade is 13 Dragons Pink, which is written in over here, and this is the particular lipstick which looks so beautiful, like it's so luxurious, and the packaging looks like so. It comes in a cardboard. Everything is mentioned over here. It contains jojoba oil and shea butter. It has vitamin E also, and pretty shade, one swipe opaque pigmentation. It gives you a long stay, and it is very smooth on your lips. It gives you that full blurred matte effect. The pigmentation is insane and the coverage is full. It will last you up to around 12 hours and it does not feel heavy and does not dry your lips. And sometimes lipsticks tends to settle in your lip lines. It doesn't do that. It won't settle in your lip lines. It will give you that seamless butter effect on your lips, that blurred matte effect on your lips. And it is transfer proof and kiss proof. So I'm going to apply this lipstick directly. The wand is a leaf applicator which looks very beautiful. It soaks the product a lot and then you can get a beautiful pigmentation in one swipe only, like the beautiful finish. This is the pretty much look. The lipstick is looking so beautiful and the kajal, that gold rim eyes, it is so beautiful. The kajal is intense, pigmented. The lips are looking so beautiful. Overall look very pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have talked depth in about these particular products. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. You should try out Belora Paris. Everything will be mentioned in the description box. You should try out these products. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yours. I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.